What's happening, all my service contractors, my window cleaners, my pressure washers, all of my people that work outside, my service contractors, okay? You post-construction cleanup, maybe you're a painter, okay? Doesn't matter. Are you a contractor? Are you a service contractor? You see this big building behind me? That's a contract that we took down this year. So is this one here, okay? We took down this bad boy here, and I'm actually on a property walk with this one right here. Okay, I want to show you how to get into these large commercial contracts. My name is John Erikson, owner of Sunclean and creator of Overcomer Academy on Commercial Contract Blueprint is what I show you how to do. And basically, I want to show you how to take your life to the next level, take your business to the next level by getting into these large commercial contracts the way that I have. It changed my life, and I think it can change yours. And I'm just a normal guy with a normal business every day trying to make a difference. I got clients all over the place. We got clients in New York. We got clients in Silicon Valley. We got clients in Phoenix. We got clients in Florida. We got them all over the place, and they're making a difference with Commercial Contract Blueprint in our Overcomer Academy. I want to show you how to do this, man. And what I'm willing to do is, if you're interested in getting some of these large commercial contracts, you could check out my content, and I could show you kind of some of the projects we've been working at. My Instagram handle is @john.p.erikson, or my YouTube channel is @John Erikson. And so getting large commercial contracts, the main difference is you won't have to do 80 projects a month every single month and run around with your head off trying to get all of these projects completed. What you're going to be able to do is consolidate, have maybe a two-man team handle 4 or 5 projects a month, and that two-man team is going to take care of all the labor work while you focus on getting more contracts. And you might be looking at these big projects thinking to yourself, like, well, how am I going to do those big ass projects? I don't have the equipment. I don't know how to do it. I'm not sure how this works, okay? Well, that's why you're talking to me, man. That's why you're watching me right now, okay? That's what I'm gonna show you. That's my job. Let me worry about that, okay? Let me know if you wanna get commercial contracts like these ones, or if you just wanna dive more into my information. That's cool, man. My name's John, and I'm out.
Hey, what's happening, guys? John here. And listen, if you enjoyed that video, I appreciate you watching it. I want to give you some more value. I'm not asking anything of you. All I want you to do is subscribe to our channel. If you're on desktop, it's going to be in the lower left of the screen. Just go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And if you're on mobile, it's in the top right corner of your screen, okay? Hit the subscribe button, and I'm really looking forward to maybe having you watch some of my content.